To embrace the world is to envision the future. To revitalize China's CNC cutting tool industry and serve global customers is the eternal pursuit and dream of the YASAM people. For this dream, we continuously experiment and innovate. From product, technology, and after-sales to business models, we are tireless. Every product development, every solution optimization carries the hard work and dedication of our YASAM people. We are moving towards the strategic layout of wherever there are CNC machine tools. There will be YASAM marketing personnel stepping forward with steady and practical feet. Persisting from independent branding to global product marketing, YASAM has consistently adhered to the philosophy of quality first and product innovation from start to finish. The YASAM series products pursue safety, stability, and consistency, representing YASAM's spirit of never slackening and pursuing excellence. YASAM Cutting Tools is the original creator of the SCGO high-efficiency tool holder clamping system. We operate the enterprise with a brand new business model. From the very beginning, we determined the corporate mission of making machines more efficient based on the business philosophy of honest management, cooperative development. We attach great importance to talent cultivation, product research and development, and the establishment of rules. And we have strategically planned intellectual property in advance, obtaining nearly 100 global patents. Especially for the SCGO clamping system, high customer recognition is the greatest affirmation for YASAM. Our products are sold in more than 70 countries globally. In the future, we will continue to increase research and development, innovation around customer needs, continuing to penetrate the market with the YASAM model, reducing the service radius to 30 minutes. Here, we carry responsibility and set off with passion. We arrange layouts rationally and face challenges directly. We innovate and transcend, flourishing with growth. YASAM was established in 2003, starting in the prosperous Haoji town, Dongguan City. In March 2008, the company headquarters moved to Chang'an, Dongguan, a key town for molds in China. To meet the needs of our customers, we have successively established over 100 specialty stores and offices located in Dongguan, Shenzhen, Nanhai, Shan, Zhongshan, Zhengmen, Shenyang, Zukang, Huzhou, Shangtu, Zhouqing, Yangchang, Changchun, Kangchun, Zhuhai, Guangzhou, Jiyang, Qingdao, Chongqing, Wuhan, Jinzhou, Xiamen, etc. Additionally, a distribution network has been formed through agents. From research and development to production, every link is strictly required, implementing advanced production management models into every detail, striving for perfection to ensure quality. Company main brands: SCGO high-efficiency SCGO tool holders, CNC inserts, CGS full range of tungsten steel tools, SCG full range of hole machining tools, SLONS full range of turning tools. From product selection to technical consultation, from personalized customization to after-sales service, from technical training to maintenance, a complete set of standardized process services has brought a good word vote effect to YASAM. We have reached cooperation with a large number of internationally renowned enterprises, main customer groups: Everwin Precision, Mia Metal, Wyang Multimedia, Samsung Electronics, Disse Electronics, KHV Technology, BYD Foxconn Media Group, Gallons, Gri Lingsheng Gorp, and other well-known domestic and international brands. YASAM has more than 30 imported grinding machines, possessing a production capacity of 10,000 tools per day. The company's service goal is wherever there are CNC machine tools, there must be YASAM marketing personnel. Mission accomplished with a 2-hour service respite. For this, YASAM marketing elites must work hard and strive for progress. We are grateful for all the care and attention along the way. In the future, YASAM will continue to deeply cultivate the research and development of cutting tools, continuously creating high-quality products through independent innovation, using the dream of YASAM people to contribute to the great Made in China dream.
耀新成立于2003年，我们以全新商业模式运作企业。从一开始，我们就确定了振兴中国送片刀具行业的企业使命，在2033年实现300家专卖店的中国布局，同时将在全球5大市场展开布局，为实现让机器更高效的企业愿景而不懈努力。
In the past 20 years, we have used multimedia to comprehensively enhance YASAM's influence in the Chinese cutting industry, enhancing YASAM's popularity and reputation in China. From 2024 to 2033, we strive to use 10 years' time to realize the Chinese market layout of 300 specialty stores. At the same time, we will carry out strategic planning for 5 major global markets, working tirelessly to realize the corporate vision of revitalizing China SCNC cutting tool industry and serving global customers. YASAM Cutting Tools. National chain. Quality guaranteed.